her by your side, lost in every move, writing down your smile. Baby, hold me tight, let me trace your lies. Keep it low, cause you dropping it down. We gon' boogie to the sundown, no. Baby girl, you look so fine, fine, fine. 아무 생각 없이 can we tune it out? Show you all I know, let me ease your mind. And by 6:08, give me another minute of your time. We'll turn it upside down. Can be sick all night, cause we'll switch it up inside out. And I give all that you want.
How's your sleep, everyone? Arte, may pagganyan. Hi guys, good morning. Large? Pwede na.
Dali-dali lang to.
Gov, ayan na ba, ginamit na ba natin ng maleta?
Kontrata ng kontrata sa DPWH to. Ayun, kukuha na mo yung Nepo.
Ito ang Nepo baby natin. Nepo brother.
Minsan lang.
Hello and welcome back to the part 2 of my Hong Kong vlog. So today is our third day and we started here sa Citygate outlet and we went straight to Uniqlo to do a bit of quick shopping kasi medyo tight na rin kami sa time. And then after that, we grabbed some Cinnabon for a quick dessert and catch up na rin habang hinihintay namin na maging clear yung weather kasi guys, napaka-cloudy today and it's not gonna be worth it to go to Ngong Ping 360 kung wala ka namang makikitang view, diba? By the way, medyo back-to-back yung itinerary for today kasi originally, Ngong Ping was supposed to be part of our first day. But since hindi kami nakakuha ng locker during our first day, hindi namin naiwan yung gamit namin and that kinda mess up our day 1 plans. But nevertheless, we still had the time today so we decided to move it ahead. Grabe mga sar si ate niya. What? What did you say?
I'll do it again later.
Oh my god.
I don't wanna.
You're so mean. She'll do it again daw.
Why you wanna pour in her face now?
So come with us as we continue exploring Hong Kong on our third day. But let me properly start with our second stop for today, which is Ngong Ping 360. Pero wait, commercial muna guys. Pwede naman yun I'm so sorry, Kuya John, but yeah, finally we're here. You know guys, the line wasn't that long kasi we got the crystal cabin. Unlike yung sa standard one, sobrang haba ng pila and ang dami talagang tao today. And since 13 kami, we had to split into 2 groups and now we're all excited to go. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Sabay ko, crush sa palipasa.
Guys, the timing was really perfect. We were so glad that the sun finally came out kasi this early morning it was drizzling and very foggy. So going a bit later was definitely the right choice. This isn't my first time riding a cable car, but it's my first time sa glass floor. So this is something new and challenging kasi you can literally see everything underneath the glass floor. But the best part though is that it was my mom and my brother's first time. And I purposely sat in front of her kasi I wanted to see her reaction. She was a bit scared, todo ako sa railing, but she still wanted to enjoy the view and that's what I love about her. Kasi kahit takot siya, she still wanted to experience it.
Uy, nakatayo na si Tiana. Baby steps.
The ride is a bit long. It's around 25 minutes, but it's actually perfect kasi you get to enjoy all the views. And then we took a lot of photos and videos, and of course, we kept teasing my mom. We made sure na mapatawa namin siya para mawala yung nervyos niya. And so far, this was super memorable.
우와, 내가 너만의 빛이 돼줄게. 약속할게. 짙은 어둠이 드리워도 우리가
Everything in the world.
Very fun. I sat on the floor.
It was fun. Mom was scared. We were always holding on to the board.
좀 하나하나에 잠깐만 나오라고 부를 때까지 기다렸다 널 봤을 때 모르는 척 익숙한 멘트를 칠 때 아무렇지 않은 듯 하지만 이 조용한 밤거리를 걸을 때 두근거림에 눈을 굴려 잠들지 못해 너와 있으면 내려앉은 밤이 너무 짧은데 Baby 하나만 알아줘 시간 보내지 말아달라고 Baby kiss me 보여줘 네 깊은 맘속에 날 데려가줘 Baby hug me 안아줘 그리고 내일도 날 보러 와줘 맘속에 따끔따끔거리네 예고 없이 찾아온 설레는 어떤 단어로 설명할 수 있을까 지금이다
So, we're now heading up to the Big Buddha and guys, grabe, ang hirap magsalita habang paakyat. And I was literally catching my breath kasi ang init rin talaga. And I honestly thought that today's weather would be nice. So, I just decided na maghuhoodie na lang ako but nope, it was super hot and super humid.
Ayan ka pa ba sa suko? Andito ka na.
So, yun, we were taking it slow and medyo nahirapan din kasi si mama. So, we had to stop a few times for her to rest. But okay lang. There's no need to rush. And then, when we finally reached the top, the Buddha was so big in person and you also get a really nice view from up there.
Yeah, I thought it's gonna be cold today. So hot. And we're so high up, but it's so hot.
We just took some photos and then after that, we headed down and continued with our day.
Guys, papunta kami ngayon sa The Peak Tram. Commute lang kami.
At this point, dito ko na talaga naramdaman yung pagod. Hindi naman ganun kasi karami yung napuntahan namin. But you'll really feel it kapag nasa Hong Kong ka kasi grabe yung lakaran. Parang non-stop talaga. And also from Ngong Ping village going to the Peak Tram. Ang layo niya from each other so medyo nakakapagod din yung travel in between.
Guys, from Ngong Ping 360, kinuha lang namin yung gamit namin sa locker.
And wala rin kami mapag-iiwanan since hindi rin naman kami pwede bumalik muna sa accommodation just to drop everything off. Kasi mauubos na kami ng time. So ayun, bit-bit namin lahat habang naglalakad. No, dagdag pagod but that's part of the experience na rin.
Ganito i-reserve natin, di ba? We're like, I'm here, like,
Ang nagkasang pwesto, ang doon kasi, patalikod doon. Patalikod. Nakaharap sila doon. Oo nga.
Dapat doon tayo dumiretso. May space pa sana doon.
Ay, lagyan mo sa TPU yan.
Guys, stressful. Update. Pagdating sa taas, di na alam anong gagawin. Time check, 6:34. Napakadaming tao. I think it's advisable to go here ng early.
It's officially our 4th day and it's finally Disneyland day! Guys, totoo lang, sobrang nilook forward ko talaga tong araw na to. And now that we're finally here, it honestly feels so surreal. Especially, this is my first ever Disneyland experience. And I'm just glad na hindi pa ako ganun katanda na nakapunta dito. But anyway, for today's ganap, I'll just let the clips speak for themselves. Because this is one of those moments na in-enjoy ko talaga. And I think what made this even more special for me is that I'm experiencing all of this with my family and relatives. So, ayun guys, come with us and let's enjoy Disneyland together!
Tara na, shopping na! Ang init! Bakit ganito yung weather? Dapat malamig eh.
Not ready for this heat. Apparently, we have to start at World of Frozen because a lot of people run to that place. Pero we have premiere, so it depends. We can start na lang sa Main Street and we'll see. Or if you guys want to sit down and eat, we can eat after the parade because there's a parade at 12:45 and there's one at 5 p.m. as well. I sent
Tsaka yung mga,
the show timings na.
Oh, show timings, ganun.
Yes. I don't think we need to go naman sa mga interactive shows.
Ano
Like
yung
mga, hi kids!
Bakit? Bakit? You're Mickey Mouse. Yung boses naging Mickey Mouse na. Hello everybody! Welcome to Disneyland.
There's no fireworks today.
Wow. Sayang guys. Walang fireworks today until December 7. It's like 1 week. 1 week no? Ilang days?
Ano, since 27
Ay, hindi. More than 1 week pala.
Yeah, since November 27. You can revisit anytime within 6 months.
Ang hirap bumalik within 6 months.
I stumble and I can't get up, fall into the song. This time I think I had enough. I'm drowning in doubt. Lights fading, but I'm holding on. I can't escape the fall this time. It's
Kaso to, Sleeping Beauty or ano?
Dito na kami sa Disneyland. Dito na kami sa Disneyland. First time namin. First time namin dito and first ever Disneyland namin.
You thought you had me hooked, but I'm on the track. I'm done with the drama, why and don't you come back? I'm done with you, don't need to stay yet. Chasing shadows, pushing me away yet. Now you wonder how I could let this go. Oh, it's a piece of cake. Yeah, it's a piece.
Pupunta na tayo sa World of Frozen. Nakaunang attraction na pupuntahan natin.
Chains are holding me.
Sa Arendelle. Arendelle. Sa Arendelle na tayo, guys. Arend Island.
Just chill lang. Yung isa sliding sleds, yung roller coaster. Then let's go there after.
Uy, ang ganda! Wala, di tayo kita. Yung mga nakaputi, kita-kita. Ayun o.
Come on, I know you do. Us is made the magic winter show. Summer snow for spending me and you.
Thì hình cái thôi sao cái binh siêu ngọt lắm ngộ thôi xin tặng tôi hình chứ.
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love.
They were born ready. We get to share this rose.
what frozen things do in summer.
Every step I take, fighting myself with every
After nito sa tayo.
Dun sa may ano po, It's a Small World and the theater kasi nandun yung Wonders Book. So if you want, we can go to It's a Small World na din.
Mamaya na.
Pero premiere yun.
Ayan ha, mamaya na yun.
Then we can go there and then we can go film our magic.
Destinies, forget about your worries and your strife. Oh yeah, I'm in the fantasy.
咁唔使擔心啊，老友，好快就會冇事噶啦。去做。
Wish I could be part of it. Tar and knit and cooking basically. Just wonder when will my life begin. I will fly, chase the wind and touch the sky. I will fly, I will ride. I will fly, chase the wind and touch the sky.
喂，高飛，你搞得掂啊嘛？ 到咯，好啦，朋友仔，好快就翻到你嘅世界噶啦！啊，多謝啊，小白，我個心都溶晒。
小白。Never bothered me anyway.
So anyway, it was time for lunch na and nakaka 3 attractions pa lang kami at this point. But we decided to eat early na para may time pa kami for more rides and snacks na rin later in the afternoon. So it also took us a while to find a table kasi ang dami rin talagang tao. As in, halos lahat puno. So we had to look around muna before we found a spot. Order nga pala kami ng baked pork chop with rice combo. Malaki naman yung serving. Pero yun nga, medyo pricey talaga yung food sa Disneyland. To be fair guys, masarap naman siya. Parang siyang menudo style or something similar. Ganon. Basta masarap siya. At least na lang talaga malaki yung serving. And then after lunch, we headed over sa It's a Small World. Sobrang na-enjoy ko talaga tong ride na to. Kasi aside sa magkakasama kaming lahat, it was a nice chill break after kumain. Parang perfect siya before going back to more intense rides.
Wala namang kilo yan eh.
为了您的安全。
Smile naman dyan.
Amazing baby. Tita.
Wala sa
It's so magical how life can be. We can be anything in our own fantasy. Pirates on the seas and kings and queens. Everyone's here to see what we've been creating. I hear my cue, and now it's time to show them what we
festival of the Lion King!
But who's gonna play Simba when he was just a little guy?
Laki pa sa mukha mo eh. Sige, bye.
Ano lasa?
Sarap.
Parang chicken?
Parang hotdog na ham. Parang ham.
Chicken ham. Sarap.
Oh?
Picture mo.
Sarap may kanin. Patikim! Banana. Chicken!
Jello, gusto mo? Ayaw mo pupusin yan.
Oo, matapos ka na mamayang gabi.
Nawit na yung panga mo. Yan o. Mamaya mo gano'n ako para.
When you're eating that, what anime cartoon or cartoon character you think of yourself? Ha?
Luffy.
Si Luffy?
One Piece.
Luffy,
One
ano
Piece.
ba?
Ah, yung sa ano, yung Netflix?
Yung gusto niya, ano?
One Piece or
Ako, yung gusto ko.
One Piece.
One Piece.
Yung gusto niya. Oh, yan. Dati yung Kuya Wawi, oh, try it. Balat lang gusto niya eh. Diyan nga.
dyan naman niya
Oh, maganda yung laki niya. Hindi niya maubos.
Ate Andy, what are you eating?
I'm eating dried squid.
Real.
Ganyan talaga siya, dita. Yung parang siyang fish.
Ha?
Parang fish. Na yung ano niya, texture. Oo.
Ano siya, ang fresh niya, yung di ba, malaking squid, ganyan. Tapos, pina-flat nila doon sa ano.
Tapos meron akong strawberry acai with it.
Ano?
Pang-apat na taong ulam yan, no?
Kung kaya yan, kagad.
Himay-himayin.
Congrats, man! Guys, katakot. Grabe. Bale, abangan natin yung show. Dito tayo mag-wait. Guys, while waiting sa parade, dito muna kami sa mga souvenir shop. Ano daw cute? Pink. Pink.
Where's my mom?
Lumabas.
You
So ayun, the parade was really nice. It was a nice show, and after it, parang bumalik talaga ako sa younger years ko. Like, imagine if I experienced this when I was a kid, mas iba siguro yung feeling. But no matter how old you are, guys, Disney is Disney, diba? And I think that's what I realized here. Hindi mo kailangan maging bata to feel the magic. Sometimes you just need to, allow yourself to enjoy, to feel things, and be present in the moment. And ayun, unfortunately, since there were no fireworks that day, after the parade, we just continued exploring. And nag-rides pa kami ng nag-rides. And to be honest, sobrang nag-enjoy kami. Kahit pagod na go pa rin, sobrang back-to-back yung rides. And there was this ride, I think it was a Star Wars themed roller coaster ride. Dinalik-balikan talaga namin siya for I think 5 times sa sobrang sinulit talaga namin. And ayun lang, I wasn't able to get much footage from that ride kasi sobrang dilim sa loob. And medyo extreme din siya, so it's not really safe na maglabas ng mga devices sa loob. And after each one round, tumatakbo pa talaga kami pabalik sa line just to ride it again and again. Ayun, ganun kami ka-hyper at ka-game that time. Like, imagine the energy. And also, there was this one ride in Toy Story Land na hindi ko talaga sinakyan. I swear. I think it was more of a Viking style ride and I really don't like those. Sobrang nakakatanggal talaga siya ng kaluluwa for me. So, I just stayed behind. I watched them and let them enjoy it instead. And to be honest, okay lang din. Sometimes it's fun just watching everyone else have fun too, right?
Bitin! Ang haba ng pila nyo! Ang haba ng pila nyo!
Ay, meh. Ganun, pagka-first lang, meh. Oh, meh. Napunta ko sa stratosphere. Ang bilis nga eh.
Alam mo yung feeling niya parang baka dumiretso ka.
Hindi, inaabang ako nga eh. Baka mamaya bigla may baga na. Kaya may malalaglag pala.
Enjoy. Ako ngayon sa TikTok na bigla
Yung parang
maghimatay.
Sobrang taas!
Sobra, grabe.
Paano pa kami nila? Balo na gano'n ah.
Ganun talaga, oh.
Tayo na.
Pero safe siya kasi nakaganon kasi siya. Kaya parang okay lang, parang ano. Pero
Pag sa amin meron may onting lumag yun ha? May onting gano'n gawin.
parang, oh my God.
May onting gabay.
Si Carlo habang sumasigag, ginaganon yung babae sa
Katabi mo nga yun.
Hindi niya alam so hindi ko.
Hindi ako pwede talaga niyan. Tingnan natin, tingnan natin ako talaga.
Hindi pa. Sa ganyan lang.
Hindi pa to, di ba? Yan. Kaya mag-ano pa to.
Iba siya sa Vikings.
Ayan o.
Hindi talaga ako pwede.
Yan na. Ayan, isa angat na yan. Yan o, yung sa taas. Ayan o, yung sa ganyan. Ayan o, tapos isang angat. Ayan o, ayun o.
Yung patalikod yung grabe.
Sa likod yun o, sa ganyan.
Nakita mo kami.
It was a bummer that we didn't get to see the fireworks display because it's really one of the highlights in Disneyland. But we understood and respected the situation, especially after what happened with the fire in Hong Kong. Na kailangan nilang i-pause yung kind of celebrations na tulad ng ganito, and that's completely understandable. But still, they gave us a drone show to end the day and it was actually really nice in its own way. At the same time, medyo nakakalungkot lang because it felt like the day ended too fast. Parang dun ko na-realize na our Hong Kong trip is slowly coming to an end. And sa totoo lang, I didn't want to end it yet. Parang feeling ko, ang dami ko pang gustong gawin and ang dami ko pang gustong balikan. But maybe it's just one way of saying na, we have to come back.
Bye, Disneyland.
Bye, Disneyland! Thank you so much!
Thank you so much. Ito, masaya. Kahit pagod man, pero sulit naman. Hiwa-hiwalay na naman. Uwi na sila ni Lablab. Diba?
Ikaw may binigyan? Binigyan ko si Carlo ng 500.
Sige. Wow, pa-birthday!
Sana nag-enjoy ka, Arm. Kahit na pagod tayo na
Hindi ko masyado ako sa inyo. Yan ang ayaw ko kasi masyadong masakit sa akin.
Iyak lang yun na isang araw, tapos balik na naman sa normal. At least, no, nagkita-kita, di ba, nagkasama.
Siya?
Nandito palabas na siya.
Sino?
Yan.
Ito, ikat na lang.
Ingat din kayo doon.
Yes, tapos thank you sa lahat. Lalo na yung binili mo sa akin. Thank you.
Regalo na yun, regalo.
Merry Christmas. Advance.
Advance na eh.
Okay, nag-iinit.
Tapos nga, dito naman tayo
Dito naman.
Siyak ulit.
Dapat dito, magkakaroon ako kaya.
Ay, ito!
Para mabuti. Ayun.
Ang karoon, nag-adjust ko. Nag-adjust ko.
Ala.
Oh, spotlightan pa natin, no?
Drama.
Lagyan mo naman lagyan mo sa motion effect.
Sadly, it was time to say goodbye. After all the fun and the memories that we shared, bigla na lang it hit us that we had to part ways. It was especially emotional for my mom and my brother kasi they only got to spend a few days together with our Dubai relatives and it felt way too short. But even if it was just for 5 days, those moments meant everything. And I think that's what makes it harder but also more special. Till next time. And just like that, we're on our last day in Hong Kong. Actually, this day was basically dedicated to our flight to Jeju. And to be honest, we were still really wiped out from Disneyland yesterday. Pero we had to check out early and just leave our bags at the accommodation kasi we still had a full day pass since our flight to Jeju is at 2:45 a.m. the next day. So for today, we just decided to do some last-minute shopping in Mongkok and eat. Actually, I'm definitely going to miss the food in Hong Kong, especially yung mga restaurants in Mongkok. Ang sasarap kasi talaga ng food nila. So, hindi na kami masyadong lumayo since Mongkok is already a famous shopping area and we were able to get almost everything we still needed there. I also really wanted to try the BHC chicken, which is originally from Korea, pero they have a branch here in Mongkok. So, I was super excited to try it kahit alam kong itatry ko pa rin naman siya sa Korea. So, yeah. And that's gonna be it for my Hong Kong travel diary. And as I'm editing this vlog, I already missed the energy, yung chaos ng itinerary, and all the little moments in between. It was such a tiring trip and definitely different from my usual travels kasi ang daming lakaran talaga. So, lesson learned, always bring salon pass when traveling to Hong Kong. Cherries. But at the same time, I'm really grateful for this experience. Hong Kong was really a fast-paced, tiring, but full of memories that I'll always look back on. And I'm definitely looking forward to a more chill pace next time if I get the chance to come back. So again, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys on my Jeju Island vlog. Bye!